Hey guys, today I'm making Malai Chap. So first of all, I take the chop and I fry it, and then I put black pepper in it. And now I'm just adding ginger and green chili. Hey guys, today I'm making मलाई चाप। तो सबसे पहले यहाँ पे मैंने ले लिया चाप और चाप के अंदर मैंने डाल दिया ब्लैक पेपर। Now I'm taking a pan. Now I am putting 2 tablespoons of oil. It's time to add some cumin. Here are some cumin. Now I am add ginger and chili paste. It is about only 1 tablespoon this only. Now I am adding cardamom, clove and this. Now I add curd in it. 1 cup curd I add. Now I am adding 2 tablespoon of malai and half tablespoon of salt and some coriander leaves. This gravy is ready and let's add some chop in it. Now this is ready and this is look like this. Very tempting.